In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the number format in your Google Ads account. Whether you're looking to adjust your settings for greater accuracy or to match a specific regional format, this guide will walk you through the process in a straightforward manner. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Ads. The website is your go-to hub for all online advertising needs, offering various tools to help grow your customer base and increase sales. Once there, you'll find an option to sign in located prominently at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this to access your account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and look for the admin section. Clicking on admin allows you to delve into the more operational aspects of your account, setting the foundation for making the changes we need today. Now that you're in the admin area, locate the Preferences option. Clicking on Preferences is crucial because it opens up your account settings, giving you control over how your information is displayed. Once inside Preferences, you should see a link labeled Display Language and Number Format. Click on this link to proceed with today's task. Now, let's focus specifically on the number format. With Display Language and Number Format open, search for an area labeled Number Format. Clicking here will show you a variety of formatting options. These formats are generally based on regional settings, which influence how numbers are displayed in terms of commas and decimal points. This is particularly useful if you're managing accounts across different markets, each with their own customary format. Make sure to select the number format that best suits your needs. Whether you prefer a comma or period as a decimal separator or vice versa, these settings offer the flexibility to tailor the display to your liking. After making your selection, it's usually a good idea to review your choice and confirm that it aligns with your requirements. Changing the number format is a simple yet effective adjustment that can make a significant difference, especially when dealing with complex data sets or financial figures. Once you're satisfied with your changes, ensure they're saved. You can generally find a Save button on the screen or page, allowing you to go back to your main dashboard with your new settings intact. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to changing the number format in your Google Ads account. Whether it's for ease of data interpretation or for consistency with your regional standards, these steps provide a seamless way to make your Google Ads experience more personalized. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your advertising strategies.